a little bit too much, I think. Hi, I'm Empress. Today, I'm gonna do my auntie's makeup today.
It's her first time doing my makeup. I'm in my hometown. The lighting's probably a little bit bad, but she's pretty good with knowing what they are in a way. Hopefully, right? Let's hope she does good and she's very. So, what are you using right now?
Primer. Primer.
Okay. Oh no, not like that.
All over.
Okay.
Okay. It's a little bit too much, I think. You got a little bit too much, you think, right? All over. Just a little black on you. You like do this? It's a little bit dark. A little dark. This little. I can't believe we're doing it outside. People can see us. Okay, there.
Is it even?
Kind of. So let me rub it a bit more. Brush it under your eyes like this.
Yeah.
It's blending. This one. Okay, next we're doing this.
Is it even?
A glittery blue. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I'll make you look like a girl. Like blue on one side, red on the other side.
It's a crazy color. I'm gonna face the camera so the camera can see your work of art.
Now look.
I don't wanna look. Surprise me. Who's your inspiration for the makeup?
Me.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A makeup artist.
Why?
I want to make people pretty.
Who's your inspiration?
You.
Me. Aww. Do I look pretty? So if someone was to see me right now, do you think they're like, So what's the funniest thing about Empress?
When I do your makeup.
What's the best thing about Empress?
Helping my auntie to get her makeup up and look pretty when she wakes up.
Do I look ugly when I wake up?
No, you look pretty. Yeah, super pretty.
Do I look pretty right now?
Yes.
Are you lying to me?
No.
You're like...
Okay, next we do eyeliner.
Eyeliner, okay. Good luck.
I hope I can do it. I know I can.
Eyeliner.
I made a mistake. Gonna wipe it off and I made a mistake. Eyeliner. I'm just scared for it.
Okay, part 2 on eyeliner. Let's do it.
Okay, so a little mess, but it's okay.
What does the mascara do?
Makes your eyes look pretty.
Does my eyes look pretty right now?
Well, if you look like this, it would look okay.
Oh my god. Ow.
Sorry. I'm not good at it.
We're outside and we're just trying to survive this makeup tutorial. Right, Empress?
Yes.
How do you think you did on my makeup so far?
A little. Kind of good.
Kind of good?
Just a little.
Would you rate it? How many stars? Until 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
3.
Is this makeup a 3?
Yes.
I look scary. Where does the bronzer go?
On your face. I'm doing this lip liner. The lip liner looks okay.
What's the funniest thing about my makeup right now?
It looks a little weird. Okay. Not too much. Ah! A little mistake.
Oh my god. What happened, Em?
No.
What is that? Poop?
No.
That's a setting spray. Like when you're done and you keep the makeup so it doesn't come off.
No, I'm not gonna use this.
Do you think I should go to Walmart like this?
No. I like it a Can I wipe your makeup off now?
What? Are you scared? Is this part 2? I gotta redo everything.
No, it's part 1.
I redid my makeup just because she said I can't go to Walmart like that.
Hi, I'm Empress. I hope you liked that video. Bye.
Bye. I'll see you guys next time.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Mwah.